On your packet, please flip to page 117. Lesson 3, Activity 2. Number 1. Fill in the missing symbol. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Between the circles, there's a square. In the square, please fill in the missing symbol. Today, number 2, today is June 10. June 10 is right here. Circle 9 days later. So you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until you get to 9 after that. Then you will circle that date. Let's continue. Number 3. A desert lizard is 12 inches long. How many feet long is that? Remember, 12 inches long. In 2 feet, it is 24 inches. How many feet is 12 inches? Write it down on the blank. Number 4. Make a set of 8 tents in the desert campground. Remember, 8 tents. Tents are like triangles. Number 5. Draw a circle around 8 lizards. So every lizard you count, you circle it until you count 8 of them. Then we will move on to Lesson 4, Activity 3. Number 1. Count the horses. How many are there? Number 2. We counted 5 cows and we counted 5 horses. How many animals did we count all together? Remember, 5 plus 5 is how many? Number 3. The shortest horse at a fair was 36 inches tall. How many feet is that? Remember, I gave you a hint. 24 inches is 2 feet. Number 4. Fill in the missing symbol in the box in between the circles with the animals. Number 5. What number is this? Say it loudly. I'll help you. It is number 4. Say it again. 4. Great job. Upon completion, please upload to Teams. If you cannot do so, please send me pictures and I'll upload it for you. Thank you and have a great day.